Knowing yourself is the beginning of all. Wisdom is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. Happiness depends upon ourselves. Happiness is the meaning and the purpose of life. A whole I am and end of human existence. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Hope is awakening. Dream no great mind has ever exist without a touch of madness. I count him braver who overcomes his desires than him who conquers his enemies. For the hardest victory is ourselves. The high-minded man must care more for the truth than for what people think. A friend to all is a friend to none. Wishing to be friend is quick work, but friendship is a slow repeating fruit. Those who educate children well are more to be honored than they who produce them, for these only gave them life, those the art of living well. Passion is better, but fruit is sweet. He who has overcome his fears will truly be free. Those who know to those that understand teach. Wow.
The educated differ from the uneducated as much as the living differ from the dead. Poverty is the parent of revolution and crime. Art is not represent not the outward appearance of things but their inward significance. More important to organize the piece. Learning is not child's play. We cannot learn without pain. Dignity does not consist in possessing honors but in the consciousness that we deserve them. Misfortune shows those who are not really friends. Whatever lies within our power to do, lies also within our power not to do. He who cannot be a good follower can be a good leader. Fear is pain arising from the anticipation of evil. To write well, express yourself like the common people, but think like a wise man. Pleasure in the job puts perfection in the work. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. For the things we have to learn before we can do them. We learn by doing them.